Okay guys, this is the Math 3 1.1 C notes. So we're talking about doing stuff with polynomials. C is about dividing, but we're only going to divide by monomials for now. So mono means one. So a monomial has only one term. And if you remember from the last one, terms are the parts that are added together. So a monomial can have a couple things multiplied together, but it can't have multiple things added, or it would not be a monomial. So these two examples down here, that's a monomial. There's no adding or subtracting going on. Same thing with this. So you're going to divide by monomials. So how it works is you divide each term in the numerator by the denominator. Okay, I'll show you with these two in a second. So it's like the distributive property it says property there. But instead of dividing, instead of multiplying, you are dividing. Okay, so you're gonna divide the terms in the numerator separately. Okay, each term in the numerator, divide it separately. So this first example here, we got 6x to the fourth y cubed plus 12x cubed y squared minus 18x squared y. So we got three terms, and I'll color code it for you here. So first term, second term, and third term. Okay, so the first term, we'll divide it by the monomial. So 6x to the fourth y cubed over 3xy. That's the first one. Then we've got the second one, 12x cubed y squared over 3xy. Okay, and the last one, minus 18x squared y over 3xy. And those are added together. So first we'll do this one, then this one, then this one, and the answer will be all those parts added together. Okay. So we'll keep color coding this here. 6 divided by 3 is 2. X to the fourth divided by x is x cubed. Y cubed divided by y is y squared. If these exponent things are confusing you, what I'm doing right now, go watch the exponent review video that I put the link to on the website. Okay, blue now. 12 divided by 3 is 4. X cubed divided by x is x squared. Y squared divided by y is just y. Okay, last part. Negative 18 divided by 3 is going to be negative 6. X squared divided by x is x. Y divided by y is 1. So it'd be negative 6 times x times 1. But you don't need to write times 1 if you don't want to. So that is going to be the answer right there. And if you want to rewrite the plus negative 6x as just a minus 6x, that's okay too. Either way is the same thing. Okay, this one now. I'm going to do the same deal. I'll go a little bit faster this time. So first term, second term, third term. Each of those we're going to divide by that monomial right there, 4CDF. So I'll just write this all down real quick. Okay, whenever you have a subtraction sign, you can always change it to plus negative. That can help you not mix things up. So when in doubt, I would suggest just do that. Plus 4CDF over 4CDF. Okay. Now, this term right here, 20 divided by 4 is 5. C to the fourth over C will be C cubed. D squared over D is D. F divided by F is 1. I'll write this times 1 this time. Okay, plus this middle one here. Negative 16 divided by 4 is negative 4. C divided by C is 1. D divided by D is 1. Times 1. F squared divided by F is F. Okay. And the last part, 4 divided by 4 is 1. C divided by C is 1. D divided by D is 1. F divided by F is 1. Okay, so let's put it all together now. 5C cubed D times 1. Times 1 is just itself, so we'll just write 5C cubed D. Plus negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Times 1 is negative 4. Then times F, so we got negative 4F plus, sorry if my finger's in the way for a second, 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is just 1. Don't think that it cancels out and becomes 0. Okay? It divides to 1. And this will be your final result. Or if you would like to write it this way, then you may do that as well. Alright. Now for the example on the back. Okay, this one doesn't seem like dividing, does it? But that's purposely to review some exponent stuff. The negative 1 power, what did you learn about that last year? To the negative 1 power means it's like that. 1 over that number. So really, if you multiply this times that, you're going to end up with 18x squared y plus 27x cubed y squared z all over 3xy is the only thing that will be on the bottom. So the negative power makes it flip to the bottom of the fraction. Remember that? And again, if you need to review exponent stuff, go check out some videos on that on YouTube. Okay. All right. Now we're going to do just what we did on the front. This one has 2 terms on the top. That term and this term. So I'm going to come down here where we can see it a little better. This will be, they're both divided by that monomial right there, 3xy. So 18x squared y over 3xy. And then for the second one, we have got 27x cubed y squared z over 3xy. And just go to the answer here. That will be 6x plus 20, whoops, plus, my apologies, 6x plus 9, 27 divided by 3, x squared, which is the x cubed divided by x. We got a y and a z. Should be the final answer there. Okay. Sorry, this ink bled through on the other side a little bit. So remember, the negative power flips it, and then it's dividing just like those examples on the front. Thanks for doing the video notes, and I'll see you in class.